Introducing the Digital Electronics Starter Kit, your complete kit for learning logic gates, flip-flops, counters, and more. It includes 24 logic circuits, NAND, OR, NOT, AND, XOR, adder, counters, and flip-flops, plus an 0808 DAC converter. For connections, there are 2 breadboards and 140 pre-cut, multicolored wires, each in its own separate case. Also included are 2 resistor network chips and 8-bit and 4-bit microswitches for the breadboard, perfect for simplifying your wiring. The kit also includes resistor packs, capacitors, push buttons, and digital transistors. To display logic states, there's a pack of LEDs and 7-segment displays. Everything is organized in an ergonomic, portable plastic case with anti-static foam to protect the components, perfect for students, teachers, and professionals. It's a kit designed for the fundamental learning of digital circuits. Learn, experiment, and create. Order yours today.